in a go-karting race. Yeah, that's Ian. That's William. This is me, MJ. That's Harry. Safety car. Safety car. Zach. Right, that's a safety scooter. That's a safety car. Yeah, and that's Matty. And it's crazy, but here's my number, so call me maybe. Okay. They're doing. I just met you, and I gave you condom, so use it safely, and use it, baby. Okay, let's start this, man. 3, 2, 1. Oh, it is close up. Oh my God. Kids in the lead. Morris is catching up. He's coming out. Morris, and they crash. There's a real safety car. And they start again. Morris is in the lead. And Morris is the winner! What do you have to say for yourself, Morris? I'm the best! Okay, we get